Perfection is attention to small details. Taratec is precision beyond naked eyes.
Our experienced team combines expertise seamlessly with advanced technology to produce top-quality indexes for watch dials for the world's best brands. The state-of-the-art facility in Bangalore, India is the home of Taratec's Index Factory. Every day, our team in the shared spirit of excellence accepts new challenges and learns and adapts to complex needs.
Most of the index takes about 18 stages to be assembled and finished. This that you see is a work of 14 days.
Precision toolmaking is the heart of top-quality indexes. It's a flawless combination of CNC machines, laser technology, and engineering knowledge and experience. The savoir-faire at Taratec enables us to constantly expand the limits of creativity while producing exceptional quality with a fast turnaround time. Taratec. Endless possibilities.